How to fix Instagram white screen. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram white screen easy and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager as you can see right here. And after that, after you go to the apps, then right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, but all these doesn't matter. All what we need here is Instagram. So click on Instagram, and on this page you will find the app informations. So all what you have to do is click on this force stop option. It's very necessary, and then go to the storage. After you click on storage right here on this page, you will find the number of the data that you have, and to clear it, click on clear data. This is very important, and then click on clear cache to clear the cache that you have. And yeah, after that, go back, click on the power usage details. Right here, all what you have to do is make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.